Experience coastal elegance in this beautifully renovated residence, decorated and furnished by a restoration hardware interior designer. Light-filled with a sought-after southeast exposure, the unit features floor-to-ceiling impact glass, a granite chef's kitchen with stylish metro backsplash, stainless appliances, and direct patio access for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Both bedrooms offer generous closets, while updated bathrooms showcase modern finishes. Recent improvements include a new AC, water heater, and updated electrical panel, giving peace of mind for years to come. The building has undergone a $4.5 million renovation, including a new gym with his and her saunas, a heated pool, a new roof, hallways, and modern glass balconies. Milestone and 50-year inspections are complete, with no pending assessments. Incoming traffic light at the very corner of 27th Street and Publix is now open at 2,895, barely few steps away. Walk to Fort Lauderdale Beach, restaurants, shopping, and entertainment, with Las Olas, Galleria Mall, and the airport just minutes away. Resort-style living in a prime location,